666 Mind Feeder. I will greet good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I beg any side where you dey for the here, say for the watch me, when you answer the greeting like that. As I dey, I'm not there in good mood. And as I'm not there in good mood, so what thing I go talk here today? If you like, me after all, Nigeria government don't kuku. In short, some bad people for Nigeria say don't kuku they find me say I do one thing, I talk about them, I talk the truth. But that one not go stop me, say I not talk the truth. Now they hear me. That one not go stop me, say I not talk the truth. I will still keep talking about it. You know, since in short, since this year, I sure not even this year. I'm not saying since last year, but now when she tried to cry out, or when they feel say they want to bring her matter out, now the matter come out. The matter how they talk so not pass other Jesus. Now they my screen so now they see. You see this other Jesus matter? You see this other Jesus matter? Many social medias, socialites, bloggers, people like us, we don't use them till they create fans. We use them till they create more fans. We go just come, we just they talk. When I talk now concern me, what when I talk, what when I just so we speak one kind of year talk on here. When they talk, to even talk the truth, it they hard on. No only one lady, and the person is say, she even come out, they talk, something say makes sense for that Jesus mother. Other people take until they do phone. Not until they do phone until the day that girl, if she can't die, when I come here, come write RIP. Anybody say they use that girl till they anybody say use that girl, till they carry fans, till they make name. Any day with that girl, if now be on mission, you say it's till they do, any day with that girl die. If you come her post, come write RIP. Man not just talk. After they say mind feeder don't start. Man not just talk what I want to talk. Because if I talk some of una as in anyway, make not gonna matter carry me come, not gonna just they talk. Not gonna just they take until they find fans, until they make name they go. If you like, tell me what you want tell me. I don't even care. What it bring me come here today? You see Rita Edochie? Rita Edochie. Make I just tell you something, say, in case you never know, Rita Edochie with Peter Edochie, they don't even get anything in common. I don't even, as in, now film, now Rita Edochie with Peter Edochie the art. Rita Edochie, me I even think, say, Rita Edochie and Peter Edochie wife. The two, they answer just the same son name. They don't even get anything. If you look my screen, you see Rita Edochie husband. See, and I be that. Now, daddy, may he live long. Rita Edochie open his mouth, comments. They talk and say, now, Odumeje, now he go follow Odumeje, he go follow Odumeje. For that reason, he can't they cast calls on Ada Jesus. You can't they cast calls on Ada Jesus. That one, a person say, no, this say, she they half dead though. She they half dead. You can't even they cast calls. Then after you can't come for corner. You don't go the same church or you say you take to talk the rubbish you talk. Oh. Sorry, man. You know say see. Now when as in lie elephants, when you say no respect his size, elephant you say no respect his size. Now ants go gather a leg. Ants go gather a leg. Despite saying that ants, now if you kill elephants. Ants will come gather the elephant's leg because of waiting. Elephant not carry a leg waka. He not move that leg. Ants go even gather him. From there enter his nose, they will kill him. Madam, you don't fool yourself for social media well. You know say if you want one to like it, I like your film. I didn't watch your film well. But you see this thing, you see you can't fool yourself. Number one, madam, you disrespect your husband. For you to open your mouth, that's not Odumeje, now you go follow Odumeje, you go die for Odumeje, you go really die for inside Odumeje. You go die for inside Odumeje. You go follow, you go die. You were one of the people who say would they watch your film as a mother, the way they cry, they do for film, would they like you? But I don't know say you go feel calm See person say he be half dead though, because he dey cast spell on her. You no go forgive her, you no go forgive her, you no go forgive her. Then later you come again, come do house video. I be forgiving her. When you hear no be, when you hear about until no be in naga. Nonsense. This one a mind feather they talk. Other bloggers na fit come talk, pretend. This one a mind feather. And then they talk my own for corner. Nonsense. As a mother, you are not qualified to pronounce as a mother. You not get conscious. As for Odumeje, that one, if you like, forgive Ada Jesus. If you like, don't forgive Ada Jesus. The day when your nyash go expose. The day when your nyash go expose. Foul feathers. And so they go blow, not for foul body. That one will be your nyash. You dey talk. She thought say you do this. She thought say you do this. Ada Jesus not be your daughter before. Not be your spiritual daughter. Now because say, wetin make you see now say now you won't forgive her before she go well? Why? You know if you get anything, Odumeje, you know if you get anything for that Jesus sickness. You don't forget anything good. Nothing. Forget all those prophecies, all those rubbish. You don't get anything for that Jesus sickness. And that Jesus they sick stroke. She's suffering liver problem. The result of liver problem now swallow hand. I say they repeat them again. The girl don't talk and say she dey take pounds of blood every week. For that, now make she and her husband get problem, which is her ex-husband. Say because the husband they really care about the pounds of blood that she dey take. And they're gonna make her answer you question. Now you talk for your video, say, for your message, say, you and that Jesus, we are addressing her parents. Say you and that Jesus, the parent, whether the parent of that Jesus, whether they get your shoe or your clothes, whether they get anything to connect with that. Say you never ever talk to their, whether they don't pick their call any day or whatever. He say for that reason, say the only issue when you and that Jesus get now money issue. That means when I even get issue at all. And only God now know waiting you tell the poor girl. We make the girl when they come make all those videos. Yes. And that Jesus might be rude. Because me, I don't support Heidi say she even insult to people. I don't just know why she feels saying to insult people and I go make her fans come. Now the money we say YouTube they pay the girl now, so YouTube see they pay her. I don't answer this question before my previous video. YouTube is not paying you now at that Jesus. Now you can't talk, now you can't walk. Now even though say your sickness now not even get anything to do with those who say you even insult. They don't put an answer and say at them. And they come I never even talk to Cardi come here. This one are just jara. I never talk with Cardi come if you hear with Cardi come here yourself, in short, your head go bust. All those in the video they talk say go beg Shimarini, go beg Tedoshe, go beg Odumeje. What who knows when I want make this girl die for her neck, for I go let this for I carry this girl go far. What you make gonna feel now say no Odumeje na he get hand for that Jesus sickness? Why am I facing Rita Doshe? Who be Rita Doshe? Who she help? That woman say no who get mother conscious. Who she help? Then beside, who Odumeje fi say help? If Odumeje they go scatter children for people village, how it affect person? No. If Odumeje they go scatter children for people village, now my village children and Odumeje go scatter. Make Odumeje come my village go scatter the one say big python because for Imo State and my village go na python with the worship, and that python don't do it for over 30 years. Those they worship God, they worship their God, but they never feel destroy where that python they. Odumeje, go destroy for Ibiasebe village. Go. If you know say get power, go remove that python where they. Mad people everywhere, all because of the name of God, all because of prophecy. You will be say for your nonsense miracle, you say you see, you go to use. I never see where man of God say they do miracle. You go carry how do they call them? Crush till they flog person leg. Person be say he get problem for a leg. You go carry crush the flog. You say you dey see. I don't understand. You go dey jump. As in rubbish. You say you dey as in Nonsense if they do for that your church, say na miracle they perform. Then why Zubi? If you want to talk, you talk to Zubi, say that you give her life. I mean, that you give her power, that you give her nonsense. Say the owner to do for them. Say Zubi because they call even they insult you. When Zubi insult you, why not cast sickness on Zubi? Why not cast sickness? Or Zubi say no, it's not be just friend. Why not cast sickness on her? Why not? As in like, Ogana, which people will make you the popular self? Not be all these celebrities they make you popular. And that Jesus, yes. And then they support the nonsense stubbish talk from her mouth. But why if they say they carry glory? Imagine she marrying, I have forgiven her. You get it for her life before. Then imagine I have come to forgive. I got to do eyelash like this. Look at your eyelash. She feels say she dey follow Dumeje. That Rita Dominic, Rita Edochie, I'm not even sure say your husband gets safe for your life. I'm not sure. If your husband get control for your life, you know come out to that place as a mother. You know you come and say no Dumeje you can follow, Dumeje you can follow, Dumeje you can follow. Follow Dumeje. Who are you? Anybody who may not follow Dumeje, die with Dumeje. Your husband, no. When I say Rita Edochie husband, this husband is so he be like who will control this woman. He be like who will control this woman. And never forgive her. You are casting curse on her. You are casting curse on your daughter. No, now Rita Edochie daughter with this. Then you come corner. So you because say you deal with Dumeje, that is why you are casting curse on her. Then you don't come up for Dumeje church because they can't talk for back and say you forgive her. Why you not go to church? Why you not locate at that Jesus? May you go where she did. And even if you go where she did, madam, you not get anything with what they do at that Jesus. At that Jesus, they sick liver problem. And every sandwich they get, now the sign of liver problem. Then for all this native doctor, whether they say mommy water, mothers, mommy water this. I am so surprised now that we Nigerians, we Biafrans, and the world, we don't celebrate native doctor. Somebody come make comment say, hey, to God be the glory. She have mentioned that Jesus is Lord. The woman is she's indirectly repenting. She want the social media now. So you want tell me now say that the mommy water she writes things now in the carry come. All this noise that they make so. All this noise. We call the mommy water from the river goddess. We call the mommy water from the father goddess. Odumeje this, Odumeje that. What do they wait for? Before I go. Then some pastor now they come inside. All of them just they come on social media. They talk. Yeah. Una must as a man ask question. So una must come social media, come talk. Before I go heal that Jesus. Now at the end of it, the woman don't come and say if he come out the stroke. I don't understand. If he come out the stroke, but you know if he come out the cause of the lay on her. As in waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. Gini name. If na film, waiting they happen. When they use this girl life, till they do panya, till they do social media talk. Pastors go come talk with the tell me say, this one go come talk tell me say, mommy water go come tell me say, papi water go come tell me say. So at that Jesus, person life don't become play. Then one prophet come again, one guy talk again, say the woman no go even fit do anything. Say at that Jesus must die. As if like say the food no go die. Anybody say talks at that Jesus must die, you no go die. If she die, you no go die. No be that one carry me come. Make I hit the nail on the head. Now, at that Jesus come from a particular state for Igbo land. And Igbo land na Biafra land. And Biafra land, we get leader. Nnamdi Kanu. Now our leader. See Nnamdi Kanu, I have to put your piece, Oga, Biafra leader. You won't tell me, say, Oga, you won't tell me, because I be Biafra. I'm from Imo State. But you see this matter, Oga will involve you inside. Because so would they involve Buhari when we were in Nigeria. And so would they involve bad leaders for Nigeria matter. Oga, make I call your attention. Who anybody say go fish share in short. Because Nnamdi Kanu page in many. I don't know how many I want to share and give. So those who say you know the real gong, say you know where Nnamdi Kanu your own page, make gonna share this vision. Nnamdi Kanu as a leader of Biafra, because as we speak now, you be the president of Biafra. If they say they begin votes, they will vote you as a leader. Oga, you know they see Ada Jesus. May she die first. You know they see what they have for social media since. You know so they take one of the Biafran. This girl na Biafran. You know so they take this girl Biafran. They take a matter, they take a matter, they do social media clap. Na clap, they clap with her. They use this girl, they do social media tori. Oga, what do you wait for as a leader of Biafra? This girl matter not reach your hand. Because I don't feel mention the Igbos. You see our Igbos. If I don't they talk, they don't say me, they sabi talk. Rather, they'll come tell me I don't support Biafra. That's how they don't want to insist. Which I don't want to even talk that one self. Now so they come that now so Facebook then come. So one of them reports my comments say I comment say Igbo people are very, very stingy. They report my comments for Facebook. Facebook give me warning. Okay, when I'm not stingy, Igbo people we not stingy. But while we won't stay, they make noise. Why we won't stay, they make noise. So that Jesus will lose her life. Whether who she offend though, whether who she not offend though. I beg the question be say, that Jesus, now the whole Igbo now that Jesus insult. Nnamdi Kanu, that Jesus insult you. Oga, I beg, our leader, I dey answer you question. Please forgive my manners. I am talking from aggressive. I am talking from aggressive mood. Or that Jesus don't insult you once. What make you know one put body for this matter? I be this girl not be Biafran and she dey. Look the poor parents now. We know say she don't do wrong, go. But she will go wash and say this girl go die for this matter. At the surprise, some people thought say they don't donate money. Not even one was this. In short, see the way one they tell me when I thought say I they ask questions say why they don't want to assist me for house issue, why they don't want to assist me for where they want to they hide from Nigerian government, where they threaten me, where they hide put, where they make this video now my hidden place, now they make this video. When I come cry say I need assistance, some come they tell me say the way I talk about Igbo, the way I insult Igbo, let me they don't want to assist me. And that Jesus insult all of them too. And that Jesus insult all of them, my Igbo brothers, my Igbo sisters. Someone called they tell me say, do you know how much we have contributed for that Jesus? They are sending her to India. They are sending her to India. I beg go make an answer question. Now Dumeje Church na be in India. Now Rita Idoshi na be in India. I mean Ashimari na be in India. Wait till they wait for them to send this girl. But since we send una say I don't contribute millions where they want to carry her go India for treatment. Wait till they wait for them to carry her go India. Wait till make una feel say that they carry this girl they turn up and down. Why una believe say I beg go no man ask question. Now which prophet na prophesy say that Jesus say now Dumeje na be that Jesus sickness, or say na Shimari na be that Jesus sickness, or say na Tadoshi na be that Jesus sickness. Say na then concern which prophecy na prophesy that. She been away with our mouth for this social media. Now he bless the sickness that the she cause. He bless the sickness and now Dumeje she cause. He bless that she marino. Now we tell they turn this girl up and that this girl's sickness they increase to the extent that she never feel the talk again. Before for that Jesus feel the talk. Now she never feel the talk. Now she don't get stroke. Her hand they swell up. Yet our Biafrans they watch this girl they die they go. Later now if I talk say our Igbos, if I talk and say sometimes they act one kind way, you say they like, you say they act one kind wicked way. They go say me don't insult them. They'll go report me. Give Facebook. Facebook come give me warning. Now what you officer will they do? I swear. See, from my heart, I'm a social media person. I'm a blogger. I don't talk about many people. I know say me I don't get into the native daughter. Yes, I know say I don't get them. I don't get into native daughter. I've never talked about native daughter any day. I've not talked about this Dumeje. I only they so can't I go post the video they use walking stick they flog people. Flog go use crush, they flog women. Women go they turn around for them. Mothers go they're going to go receive beats, saying a miracle. So that I go like that for girls' body, they tap current. Me, I not get time for native daughter. I not get time. I not get any connection with people who say, I want to talk. Maybe say, maybe I get secrets. But the question remain unanswered. Odumeje, Ada Jesus was one of your spiritual daughter. Rita Idoche, Ada Jesus was one of your daughter. If you take as a daughter, you take care of her. Despite say Ada Jesus, they talk all these things. Una come now, they talk say all those things na lie. Rita Idoche, what you make you never arrest Ada Jesus? Why you never sue her? My dear, that's why I say this girl is sick. If there is anything when you relate to truth, or when she talk about you and Odumeje, one day it will be exposed. It go expose one day. Now this, say me not their life. Say everybody say when they can't talk now, you never forgive her. Say we not their life. As long as say we their life. If there is anything when they say it take between you, Odumeje and that Jesus, maybe she can't be exposed. Maybe they call it now. Not to say a lie. We accept because sickness don't hold her. When I can't get opportunity, they insult her. They curse her when she did grounded. If she dey expose anything, say she not feel complete the exposure before this sickness can't hit her. So definitely, that thing must be exposed one day. It must be exposed one day. That is it. But if there is nothing behind, before she can't do this thing, then may God judge you. But let me just sound this as a warning. Odumeje, you are not the reason for Ada Jesus sickness. You not get hand. She marry, you not get hand. Not on a person. She dey sick liver problem. That is just it. Me, I not say she don't offend you now. Yes, so. And she don't beg for forgiveness. But not be una get hand for sickness. Because if not I get hand for sickness, her condition for don't they get up small. Now they hear me? Her condition for don't they get up small. If not spiritual. So all this I'm when they carry this girl, they turn around. Very soon now, all this mommy water, mommy goddess, daddy goddess, papa, mommy, and mommy, this thing, they come out now for social media, say, they don't talk, say, yes, she's saying the truth, yes, she's saying the truth. When some people won't come out for social media, may they notice their job. Me, I know say, yes, some spiritual herbalists, then they do their thing, so, you understand? But the greatest mistake episode I will make, the family of Ada Jesus, and the Biafrans, the greatest mistake I go make if una carry Ada Jesus go meet any mommy water, any goddess. I sorry for na Christian life. Now be say una don't let Jesus know say Jesus is nothing. And anybody say go let Jesus say anybody say go make Jesus feel inferior. Say in blood, don't even say he sacrificed for us. Say that blood not dey useful. Now mistakenly carry Ada Jesus. Go carry and go any goddess. I pity for her. And if that girl die, if you mistakenly carry that girl go at that Jesus place, then she will finally die. Una go need to answer to God. Una sin, God no forgive her. God no forgive her. Because I never even see someone like this girl go any church. Those people say they contribute money for that Jesus, they can go in there. I don't know what they do. When I carry this girl, they turn around. This girl kiss the worst. Not be her bad man, my problem. Because me, I don't know. Say she's so rude. She don't even know how to draw attention. Even though say you want to draw attention for social media, you better be even go talk about the useless leaders who get for this Nigeria. Not to even to the insult native doctor, they insult people. Now your sickness now they come facing and then help your problem. Now social media, now the crowd you see you gather for YouTube now, you they receive the money now. Even the YouTube they even know you. YouTube go pay you 50K. They go use it to do advert of millions. Then now look at your life. YouTube now come rescue you. All the fans say, you know get hype. This and that Jesus matter say they also. Some people go down they tell us say yes, could be talk am when she never sick. Talk am, could be yes, could be. Those people say the enemy to those people say they're the enemies to those people say she talk about. They go encourage her. Me as I did yes, so how many people don't encourage me? But not with their encouragement make me they do my activist work. Not be them. Not be them. Even when I get matter now, how many of them can rescue me? How many? How many? Even some of the Igbo they say they did my page, they tell me say yes, you are doing good, you are talking good, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. When I get issue, when we say some people they threaten me for Nigeria, when we say when we say I run go hide, when we say I did lack of money, so I ask for assistance. Oh, not only one Igbo person I don't send me money. Only one Igbo. The other one come tell me say, the way you take us Biafra, the way you take us Igbos. For that reason, I come off your page. For that reason, I'm not gonna assist you. That's what they tell me. So if like say where I did now say condition can't book me, I can't sick. You see, I go say I be Igbo, I be Biafra. So I beg, I want to use this medium to beg the Biafra leader. Please, Nnamdi, please, Oga, please. You can have a final say on this game matter. Please. Oga, I know what you do. I beg. Send this girl out. Send this girl to India so that this girl will take treatment. Oga, I beg you. As a leader, I beg you. You are the leader of Biafra. You are the in short, now you be the touching point. Now you be the turning point of Biafra. Oga, I beg. Look into her matter. I know so you don't see her video, but not be only for us to gain Biafra, not being the main thing. At least, if people not there alive, they enter the Biafra. Who will be the Biafrans? So, guy, I beg you. Even me, I don't draw your attention. Say, I need you to assist me. I did try to draw your attention. Since if this video reach you, this 6 mind feather, please. We the young, as in, we say we need episode from Igbo land. We need you sometimes to the torchlight our matter. Send your people, make them do something. So on this Ada Jesus matter, because you will young people, this is going to be a shame to the Biafrans. This is going to be a downgrade to the Igbo land, to the Igbos, if this get time. After this, when they carry her, they tongue go here, mommy water will come talk, papi water will come talk, this one will come talk, as in, please, Oga, come to our rescue. We know say God they watch, and God will surely forgive her. The way she did so now, yes, we know say her life stand at 50-50, because most time people they don't get stroke on this liver problem. Most time they make up. We know, but at least. We will not let she just die like this after the whole social media thing. Please, Oga, please. She don't know how to present her comedy stuff. She knows, but apart from that, I know say she dey rude. She don't insult some prominent people for Igbo, and if I say this sickness not come, this girl for even still do this thing, or maybe better still, she just want to bring out. She won't make name. Because she knows say one day her sickness will hit her down. As it did, so she don't make name. It's an history of Ada Jesus. You don't enter history. You don't enter Google. So anytime they search about her, her matter will come up. Maybe she knows say this sickness will hit her down because she don't even get assistance. She talk her now, say her husband don't even care. Who know who they behind it? So Oga, I beg. And I beg on her behalf, please. Nnamdi Kanu, please, the leader of the Biafra, the mouthpiece of the Biafrans, Oga, I beg, come to our rescue. Ka je India, ka warrior, come na warrior, go she get us. At least let us still live again to talk before, if na so she go take go, may her soul, at least we go no say yes, wanna make us pride for the Biafrans. We know. Say most of them 50-50 maybe their lifespan, we know, but at least please Oga, come to our rescue, please. Yes, so now that one has make I come drop here. So for now, she marino, mommy water, papi water, odumeje, and Rita Doshi, that those are as in cock and bull stories. I not get anything. I not fit give life. So I not fit take life. And I hear me. I not fit give life. So I not fit take life. I not fit create life. I not fit take life. I not get hand for that Jesus sickness. They get a sick liver problem. And every symptom which they get, now let's say they sick liver problem, they get. So stop glorifying your down self, your belittle self. Forgive me. Rubbish. Nonsense. Yes, I'm done with that. That is it. So please, if this is your first time of coming across Mind Feather, this is Mind Feather. If this is your first time of coming across me, so please hit the like button. If you're watching me from Facebook, hit the like button. And if you are watching me from my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. And please hit the notification bell so that when my message comes next time, it will give you a notification on your phone. To be very easy for you to get my messages. So please share, and whatever you know that is your contribution to this, please drop it on the comment section. Thanks, and remember, we'll meet next on Saturday. Same session, same Mind Feathers blog. And please, before I go, I've started my new program, Mind Feathers blog on family pride. Please, you can Google that. You will see me on my page, Mind Feathers blog on family pride. So please join me there. Thanks, and remain up. Ada Jesus. Sorry, sorry. I feel your pain. Sorry. Your soul will rejoice with God as long as you are forgiving yourself. Thank you.